Hello and welcome to Nepal. About 2 days ago we landed in Kathmandu, which is a crazy bustling city. It has a population of about 1.5 million people and it's an elevation of 1,400 meters. This morning we've flown out on a tiny plane to Lukla.
Last group photo here, then you can compare yourself. How are you looking now and how you look. Joke case. They are fresh between cows and yaks. Joke case, yeah. You can call them yaks as well. So this is the gate, and you can see this the lady top of the gate. She is one of our national hero, who was the first Nepalese lady to climb Everest in 1993.
And then we've started off our trek to base camp Everest. It goes up and down a little bit.
There's around the top that's high secondary school, Hillary Foundation School.
Ooh. Ridiculous. Right. Oof. There we go. First rope bridge. And now we find ourselves in Phakding, or Phakding, excuse my pronunciation, and we're at an elevation at about 2,600 meters. Over these next few days we're going to be traveling the base camp Everest trail. We're going to go through several different villages, climatizing to the altitude, and eventually we'll get to base camp, which sits around 5,000 meters.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Yeah, so I'll cut there and then
I was going to fade out like that. Oh, like a dolly.